Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be releasing a version archive. First, a demonstration. If you go to create a new profile, you can see it needs to download a package. Go back to the instance page and go to the three dots in the top right corner. When you do that, click it, and select Open Modding Folder. When you're in the modding folder, go to the Download Version Archive and paste the contents into the folder. After the archive has finished copying, go to Create a new profile again. As you can see, when you imported the version archive, you no longer need to wait for the Minecraft launcher to load, as well as download the package. If you found this video useful, make sure to consider dropping a like and subscribing for more content.
With